Everyone on YouTube shows you how to bulk create 100 videos using AI. But they almost always leave out the most important and painful part. Your AI drops the videos into Google Drive, your scripts are sitting in Notion, and then what? You have to manually download every single video and copy-paste the text. If you use multiple physical phones to manage different accounts, congratulations. You also need to airdrop or download the right videos to the right phones and upload them one by one. Yeah, technology is advancing, and switching to cloud phones is a huge step up for convenience. But isn't there an easier way? Efficiency is everything right now. You built an automated content factory, but you are still the manual bottleneck. Want to change this? Leave a like button and stick around. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to completely automate your TikTok account matrix using Zapier and morelogin. If you're new to Zapier, here is the 30-second breakdown. Zapier is a no-code digital bridge that connects different applications and automates your workflows. It works on a simple if this, then that rule. Every workflow, called a zap, has a trigger, the event that starts the process, like adding a new row in Google Sheets, and an action, what Zapier does after the trigger, like posting to TikTok. Back to the main topic. Let's start with something incredibly powerful. Automatically posting videos to multiple TikTok accounts using just one Google spreadsheet. First, sign in to Zapier. You'll see their new AI Copilot here, which is pretty cool. You can just type what you want to do, and it builds the steps. But so you understand how the engine works, we're going to build it manually. Click Create a Zap and set your trigger. We want Zapier to recognize whenever we add a new piece of content, so search for Google Sheets and set the event to New Spreadsheet Row. Sign into your Google account, click Continue, and select the exact spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use. In my case, Sheet 1. Make sure you already have one test row of data filled out in your sheet. When you click Test Trigger, Zapier will pull that row in so we can use it to build the rest of the automation. Once you see your data, hit Continue. Next up, the action step. Search for morelogin. Those familiar with my channel know I swear by their cloud phones for matrix accounts. For the event, select Run Market Template One-Time Task. Now you need to connect your morelogin account. Zapier will ask for an API ID, an API key. Just jump over to your morelogin dashboard, click on API and MCP, copy those two codes, and paste them into Zapier. Once connected, we configure the task. We need to tell Zapier which cloud phone to publish to. Don't just pick one phone from the dropdown. That's useless for running a multi-account matrix. Instead, select Custom and map it to the Cloud Phone ID column from your Google Sheet. Map your schedule name to your sheet's task name. For the template ID, you want to select the TikTok video posting plus version. Do not use the regular version. For some reason, the regular version fails to download videos via links and throws a "video does not exist" error. If anyone has figured out the regular version, let me know in the comments. But for now, the plus version is the way to go. Next is the most important part, the template parameters. This JSON code tells the TikTok app what to post. You need to write it exactly like the text I have on screen, making sure to keep the double quotes and commas. Use the plus button to pull in your dynamic video link and caption directly from your spreadsheet. Before we take this live, we have to test it. Hit Test Step. Zapier will instantly send the command to morelogin. If you open morelogin and go to Automation greater than Schedule, you'll see the schedule here. Click into the details, and you can literally watch a live visual feed of your cloud phone. You'll see it open TikTok. Click the plus button, grab your video from the link, paste your caption, and hit Post. Completely hands-off. Once you confirm it works, go back to Zapier and hit Publish. So now I will use another separate worksheet to organize my links, because my trigger event is instant for recording. If I type data in cell by cell on the live sheet, Zapier might trigger the task before I finish typing the caption, causing it to fail. Okay, and enter the content. About the video link, we cannot use standard Google Drive share links. Seems morelogin can't read them. We have to convert them to direct download links. Simply take your Drive link, keep the file ID in the middle, and format it so the link forces a direct download. The cloudphone can then easily scrape and download the MP4, and then video caption, cloudphone ID, copy from morelogin, and done. Just copy and paste into our live sheet. From now on, you can drop a whole week's worth of content into the spreadsheet at once, shut your laptop, and go outside. You can even trigger posts from your regular phone just by updating the Google Sheet on the go. Of course, having Zapier trigger 50 rows instantly and trying to publish videos from multiple accounts at the exact same second is highly impractical and looks like spam. You can choose to use another action event, schedule recurring market task, and add 2 columns to set trigger time and end time in Google Sheet. This way, you can easily post anything anywhere anytime as you want. If you want a copy of the exact Google Sheet template and JSON code I used today, please subscribe, comment, and share. I will share them free to help you build it. If this saves you time, drop a like to let me know, and I'll see you in the next automation tutorial.